Today I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting request in Outlook and send a calendar invite. This is a really useful feature when you need to schedule meetings directly from an email thread, making it easy to keep everyone in the loop and ensure the meeting details are shared seamlessly. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account to load in your emails. This step gets you into the main workspace where you'll access all your communication tools. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to fully load your inbox and sync any recent messages. Once your email has been loaded, the next step is to access your inbox. If you wish to set a meeting request or send a calendar invite, look for a sample email from your inbox that's related to the topic or people you want to include in the meeting. Click on that email to open it. This allows Outlook to automatically pull in the email participants and subject line, saving you time when setting up the invite. Now that the email is selected, click on the Home tab located on the top part of your screen. This is where all your primary tools and menus are located. Under the Home menu, you'll see the meeting option. Simply click on it and you'll be directed to your email composition window, but this time it's set up specifically for creating a meeting request. This feature transforms your email into a calendar invite, which is incredibly handy for turning conversations into scheduled events. From here, you'll notice that there is a provided start and end time for your meeting schedule. Simply fill in the date and time that works best for your meeting. This step is crucial because it ensures that everyone receives the invite with the correct timing and it automatically blocks out the time on their calendars. Take a moment to double-check these details to avoid any scheduling conflicts. Once the date and time are set, you can add in recipients from the optional field. This allows you to invite additional people who may not have been part of the original email thread. You can also set a location for your meeting, whether it's a physical room, a building, or even a virtual meeting link. Including this information up front helps everyone know exactly where they need to be. Finally, you can add your meeting agenda on the email body before sending. This is where you outline what will be discussed, any materials participants should review beforehand, or any other relevant details. A clear agenda helps everyone come prepared and makes the meeting more productive. Once everything looks good, simply click send and your meeting request will be delivered along with the calendar invite. And that's it. You've successfully created a meeting request in Outlook and sent out a calendar invite, making scheduling and collaboration much smoother. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.